Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Betterment for retirement planning and risk insights. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the Betterment website URL in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Betterment homepage. Locate the Login button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the Login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After filling in your credentials, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. Explore the various sections available for retirement planning. Look for Retirement or Goals in the navigation menu. Click on Retirement to access tailored tools and insights. Review your current progress toward your retirement goals. Check the Risk Insights section to evaluate your investment strategy. Adjust your investment allocations if necessary based on your risk tolerance. Utilize the Retirement Calculator for projections on savings growth. Take note of any personalized recommendations on the dashboard. If you have more questions, consider using the help resources provided. You are now equipped to effectively utilize Betterment for your retirement planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.